April 1st. And by the way, already the numbers for Bengal were not very great. Since then, it's further come down. On the other side, there was just charge and counter-charge, barbs being exchanged by all political parties linked to the West Bengal. On one side, people are running around for hospital admissions. Hospitals are overburdened, stretched completely. There is a problem for oxygen beds. On the other side, the commentary focuses on TMC netas, and that's the BJP's focus as well. On one side, right after the counting of the results, a lockdown was announced in the state because obviously a mess was made during campaign season, and so the people had to pay the price by being locked up. On the other side, the netas will still not learn their lesson, and so a large crowd was gathered outside the CBI office led by the Chief Minister. Just forces you to think about that. Let's say good evening to the panelists who are joining me on this conversation. Dr. Kunal Sarkar, cardiac surgeon, Medica Super Specialty Hospital of Kolkata, very renowned name there. Shivam Chavda of the BJP, Manav Jaiswal of the Trinamool Party, and Avijit Ghoshal, news editor for Money 9, joining us right now. Dr. Kunal Sarkar, I want to start off with you because I feel it is still important not just to highlight this to our netas who may want to be oblivious, but also to the rest of the country of just what is Bengal's COVID challenge as we speak today.
The opportunity. And the first thing we have to highlight to you is that unlike the west of the country or unlike the north of the country, Bengal is yet to peak. And the second, public health takes a primary priority over presumed political justice. This is something what across the board we need to understand, but have we understood this remains the question.
Have we understood this is the big question, or do we even want to understand this? This is something that I want to hear from the politicians. So Manav, I'm going to ask you this question. Your excuse up until 2nd of May was, what can we do? We don't want to carry out large rallies or campaign in such a manner that it becomes detrimental to our state. But the Election Commission put these dates. Now what is your excuse for the kind of dharnabazi which was going on today rather than focusing and being in the war rooms and building the state's infrastructure?
Well, in the first place, namaskar to everyone, all the panelists today and to the India. Well, it's quite a, shocking to see how the CBI has been interacting today. And you know how it is in India, in Bengal, the way BJP has lost Bengal, and the way the BJP has actually hurt the heartland of India with so much of deaths, the dead bodies lying in the river Ganga. They want to just hide all these, narratives. And what they want to do is they want to focus the country towards Bengal. This is what the narrative of BJP is. They have lost it and they cannot take it the other way around. While as far as what we are concerned about COVID is, we are actually working really hard. Our Netri, Shri Mamata Banerjee, is working really hard. Day and night, our administration is working really hard. We are adding a lot of hospital makeshift rooms, hospital beds. On top of it, we have also floated a tender. We are about to float a tender for the vaccine. Problem is, the country, which is actually had a very beautiful federal structure before 2014, today it's dwindling. Today we have a prime minister, or probably the central government, which later on, initially they had everything under their own grip. They did not want to tell anyone, discuss on the micro level, putting up a lockdown, going with the vaccines, any policies, they never discussed with the bottom down. Now what has happened now, the crisis is because people are dying and we are in need of vaccines. They have let you go. You go and you buy it across the globe. Whoever is supplying it to you, either we'll be fighting with Punjab will be bidding and fighting with Tamil Nadu and bidding and fighting with Maharashtra. Whoever has more money will be able to get the vaccine. This is how the government of India has completely done a beautiful narrative of federal structure. While we also want to know what has really happened with Adar Poonawalla. Is he really scared of the country like India? He has to come back, isn't it?
Manav, I'm a little lost right now. Sorry, I'm a little lost right now. I don't know what you're alluding to and where you're going with this. My question to you, Manav, is very straight and simple. When cases have hit 20,000 each day, 150 people dead each day, do you think it is necessary? You have just won the election. You have now the power in the state for the next 5 years. Do you think it is important to break COVID norms, to do dharna outside CBI office, for the chief minister to spend time in the CBI office politicking rather than looking at fighting how to fight the pandemic? That is my question to you.
Now, can you tell me something? What is the nation rate? What is the national rate? Is it going up from the before 2nd of May, or it has come down? It is the other way around, isn't it? It's coming down all over India. It is only because that you people did not talk to the election commission, you did not question the election commission, you did not question the 8 phases of election which happened in Bengal. Today we have landed in this kind of a situation. And today what the CBI is doing, it is actually being a puppet in the hands of the BJP, the central government. And they are trying to intimidate Bengal in any means they want to do it. And if you are not doing dharna, it was an emotional outburst from the people of Bengal, from the people who have voted for a government, for the persisting government. We had a lot of things we have done in the last 3 months. We have suffered a lot.
People
and
want
we are still suffering.
remdesivir drug, people want oxygen and oxygen cylinders, and people want ventilators, people want vaccine shots. People
Great.
want hospital beds right now. People
Lovely.
want the support of the government in terms of testing options, testing at home, nursing available, medical staff available, and all the medicines available, oxygen to be given to them when required. People are not going on any kind of emotional outburst because the
So you
CBI
really want
has
to- you
woken
really
up
want to say
again.
people
Now
who
you
have come
want
in
to
the
put
morning,
the blame on the
they're-
media
who
for
are
not
they?
questioning the election commission. By
You
all
did not
means,
question-
please
you
go
didn't
ahead
question
and
the election commission.
do.
Did you
But
ever
do
question the
remember
election
that
commission?
people will also
Is the
remember
media
how
doing
you
their job
forgot them.
responsibly?
And
No, we are not doing
1
politics.
minute,
We are
I
doing
want to
paper.
take this point across to Shivam Chabra as well. No. You put the blame on the media. Let it be now. I got the answer from you. You don't want to take responsibility for governance even
No,
now.
no.
Okay.
We are
Shivam
much
Chabra,
more
this question to you as
responsible
well.
than the rest
Is
of
this
the
the right
BJP
time?
government.
Why are
We
we
don't
now?
have a government in
Should we
South
not?
Africa.
1 minute,
We don't
Manav.
have
1 minute,
government.
please. Let me move on. Let
No,
me
you cannot-
bring
you
in our
cannot-
other
you
panelists.
cannot just say
And I
something
have a
like
question
that.
from
This is
Shivam
not fair.
Chabra, please.
This is
I
not
want to
fair.
ask Shivam Chabra, is it not true that the CBI is being selective in taking action where everybody who was named and accused and under the scanner but shifted to the BJP has been forgotten, and the only key villains in this whole Nardar sting seem to be of the TMC? And I am not saying that. The media organization and the people who actually carried this sting operation, the Narada sting operation, are the ones questioning this, Mr. Shivam Chabra.
Yeah, I think being the selective or objective is to be answered by the CBI, not by the BJP. I'm a BJP spokesperson. I don't want to answer what the CBI is doing. And if I only stand by the statement of the CBI, if some investigation is being carried out, is being summoned by the CBI court, why is it being politicized? And why is everything being politicized? I mean, I was just hearing to what Manavji was saying. Unfortunately, he was raising questions at the Election Commission of India, who carried out an election in West Bengal. You could probably debate about the, let us say, merits and demerits of the same. But unfortunately, I wish to remind him that his party's leaders were part of the same group of leaders who had this, a consensus that yes, the election should be carried out. I mean, his party was a member of that colloquium, which was called in by the Election Commission just before this entire pandemic was, spreading. So I don't think they should probably follow from the claim. And as far as the politics part of it is concerned, unfortunate that the Chief Minister of the state has stood by her MLAs, the ministers in charge, and went all across to the CBI court and probably defended the way it is being done.
Okay. Yes, before I go across to Avijit, yes, Manav, you wanted to come in.
Now I need to tell you one more thing. Well, it's a beautiful mandate that we had received just to go for the people. The people have actually believed in Mamata Banerjee on the 2nd of May itself. We have got the result. Now what has happened, what is the problem with the BJP is, a lot of people from the BJP camp, they want to shift back to TMC. They have started believing in the real ideology of Mamata Banerjee and they want to come back. Now BJP, by this act of the CBI, the scare mongering, what the BJP does,
Manav, who wants to come back to the BJP or TMC? That is again another question. Let us not debate on that.
Let me do it.
Let us not debate on that.
Let me answer you. Don't worry. Don't worry. We are a very religious, sentimental party, and we will be taking care of the state. And God permits, we will also do it for the country. Don't worry. My answer was what BJP is doing with the CBI is a scaremongering.
Okay. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Can I hear one person at a time? Can I hear one person at a time?
This is the desperation that
Yes, Manav, finish your point.
He's desperate. Now let him answer. Are you ready?
I'm not desperate at all. I'm not desperate at all. I think you are.
I waited patiently.
What will they?
Patiently, sir.
तभी तो Mamata Banerjee actually went up to the CBI court and
sir, there's
defended the
another
four
one.
legislators.
There's another one. Khisiani Billi Khamba Noche. Well, that is tu tadak. I don't want to do it on the channel. This is a respected channel. Well, I need to tell you, Tanvi,
Let me just move on. Okay. Both of you calm down. Take a deep breath. It's interesting to know neither of you still want to talk about or still want to focus on the COVID challenge that Bengal is facing. Now, we've got one of the biggest names from the medical going to refuse helping you at all, saying if you are from the TMC area, go and ask a TMC person to help you. If you're from the BJP area, go and ask a BJP person to help you. Is that what it has come down to, even for healthcare during a pandemic?
You want me to respond to that? Hello, do you want me to respond to that?
Abhijit, Mr. Ghosal, go ahead, please.
I don't think it has reached that point, but just let me to give you one small example. You gave an example. Let me give you one. On Sunday, that is yesterday, there is this MLA of BJP, Partha Sarathi Chatterjee, who won this time from Ranaghat Northwest constituency. He was earlier with the TMC. He switched over to the BJP before the elections. He won the polls. Now comes the fun. Now this man was down with fever for 3 days. Now somebody close to him, he didn't get in touch with, he didn't get help from his party, his current party. He didn't get help from his previous party. Now he called somebody. He called somebody who happens to be quote unquote a red volunteer. Now I am not holding any brief for any party. These guys are just young members, attached to the left. Now these guys got an oxygen cylinder. These guys got an ambulance, and these guys transported him to a hospital in Calcutta. Now my point is, we have seen politics of the worst possible order today. It was tragic, it was miserable, and it was ridiculous all at the same time. It was absolutely pathetic. Now, where are these examples? It may not have reached the extent, as you said, that you divide the patients on partisan lines. It certainly hasn't reached. But are we really, benchmarking ourselves against that? If I know Bengal is a deeply divided...
Is that? Nobody is doubting that fact without either of us going into the merits of the case. But here is the question to you. What is the point of what was done by your party today? You won the mandate of the people for another time. You formed the government, you have an overwhelming majority and a big task at hand. What was the point that it was served by spending those 6 hours at the CBI office today?
Well, the most important factor is the Netri. She is a frontline leader. And what the CBI is doing and what the Modi Shasan is doing, they are the biggest party in the world. They're the richest and the biggest and the most powerful party in the world. What do you think? They're going to let go of anything just like that? They've been shamed by the kind of, what do you call that? Dirtiest politics or dirtiest narrative they have done in last 3 months in Bengal. They have actually completely focused to conquer Bengal. They want to conquer. They want to rule. They don't want to serve. BJP is a party who wants to conquer and rule, just like the Mughal dynasty or probably somewhere on the other planet. If they think like they want to serve,
impression could be seen, Manav Jaiswal. The kind
really
of
matter to me
treatment
the
the
kind
governor
of
of the
politics
state
what the
was
BJP
given.
is doing.
I'm sorry.
The narrative
sorry,
that
Manav
they put,
Jaiswal.
their divisive
Kind of
politics that they
treatment the
do.
governor was
It is
given
below the dignity of being a human.
free. It's a reality.
They want to
I
hide.
want to
One
They
at a
want to
time,
hide
please.
the
Mr. Chhabra, I'll
badness.
give you time.
Leader of the
Let him
party
finish.
condemned it. I'm sorry, but not a single leader of the party condemned.
They've forgotten
attacks on
that
Shankar.
the gentleman who is sitting
Shameless.
with the big
It's
beard,
shameless.
he did not even sanction the oxygen plants. He gave it to one person. They do not know what to do with the vaccines. The vaccine owner runs away from the country. That's a 56 inches chowkidar.
Come on.
Now you have
How
to tell
is
me.
what
You
your
have to
party
tell
did
me.
today, Manav? I understand all of this.
How do we fight?
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay.
We got a vaccine. People were there.
Are you just sensing?
1 minute, please. You, Manav, the problem with you is when you start off, you don't even take a pause to breathe. Calm down, calm down. I understand the point and I will get the PGP to respond on it. But I am still not understand. I still don't understand. I am asking you a question. How is that still connected? How are center's failures today connected to how you handle the CBI situation rather than focusing on the pandemic today?
She
That's
stood
my
by her
question.
people. She
Please
stood
answer
by
this
her
and then the
people.
BJP can respond to your other allegations.
Simple, very simple. As a Netri, as a leader, she has stood by her people. She has stood for the state. She has stood for the people who
What
have
about
voted
people of
and
Bengal?
who even have not voted. Who have not voted for her. That's what I'm saying. The people of Bengal. She has stood by them. That is what it is. And people who have come there today, they are the emotional people. They are the emotional voters, emotional people and the citizen of Bengal as well as India. They came in and they were told to go back home. They were told to go. All the major leaders, everybody told them, you just go back home. We are not needed here. Because Didi herself was doing it, everything herself. She was looking after her children. That is what she did. As a mother, she took it all.
Okay.
She took
Okay.
takes a bullet.
I have a
chest.
question for
She's not
Dr.
a
Sarkar,
doctor
but
who
before
go-
that,
who
let
responding
Shivam
when
Chhabra
the world is
respond to
going
this.
when India is dying.
Okay, let's
When India is suffocating.
let us get a response from the
Shivam, hi.
BJP on this. Let us get a response from the BJP on this, and yes.
Getting the high moral ground, Mr. Jaiswal should answer. The governor of the state was manhandled. Can you
Moral
beat that?
ground. Moral
The
ground.
law and
You say
order
moral
of state,
ground.
the law and order,
They are
the law and order of the
This is
state
moral
is
ground.
at stake.
You're saying moral ground.
And not
Okay,
a
no.
single
Now this is not fair. Can I just hear Shivam Chhabra, please?
Is BJP
Manav Jaiswal, do not do this. Do not do this. Can I just hear Shivam Chhabra? Shivam Chhabra, please. Yes.
It's a
The second thing I want to
Moral ground.
say, as the pandemic is concerned, I, being the responsible spokesperson of the National Party, want to assure the West Bengal government of all due help what is required from the central government. But unfortunately, again, I would say unfortunately, I don't want to get into kind of politics out here again. But unfortunately, I wish to understand, you've been to the power for past 10 years in the state. It is more responsibility of the state government, if you understand the federal structure of this country, where the state government has more of the stakes in the health.